Right. Start. Sir, these two steps must complete, sir. So, first we have to complete these two steps, sir. Standard time allowed for 1 unit VOH recovered per hour. Then start the problem. Sir, here variable overhead variances are calculated on the basis of hours, sir. On hours basis, right. First one, draw the table, sir. Draw the table. Particulars. VOH. Particulars VOH. Standards for actual output. Standards for actual output, sir. Standards for actual output. Here actual output is equal to, here actual output is equal to, sir, here actual output 32,500, sir. 32,500. Actual output during the period 32,500 units, right. SH, sir, SR, SH into SR, SH into SR, right. Sir, SH, standard hours allowed for actual output. Here 1 unit required time is 1 hour, sir. 32,500 units required time, 32,500 hours. 32,500 hours. SR 2 rupees. So 32,500 into 2, sir. So 65,000, sir. So that is the standard VOH cost for actual output. So VOH cost should be completed in 65,000 rupees, sir. But actually incurred, sir. Ascertain the actual VOH cost. Actual VOH cost for 32,500 units. 32,500 units. AH, sir. AR. AH into AR. Sir, here paid hours, working hours, both are same, sir. There is no idle time. There is no idle time. Next, AH into SR. AH into SR. Right. Sir, AH. Actual hours. Actual hours, sir. Sir, actual working hours 33,000 hours, sir. 33,000 hours. Actual working hours 33,000 hours, sir. Actual working hours 33,000 hours. Okay, right. Okay. Next, AR. AR is not mentioned, sir. Actual VOH cost incurred 68,000, sir. Actual VOH cost incurred 68,000. Okay, 68,000, sir. So 68,000 divided by 33,000. 33,000 is equal to 2.06. 2.06. Sir, here VOH recovered per hour 2 rupees, sir. That means if 1 hour direct labor force working, sir, 1 hour direct labor force working, recovery amount is 2 rupees. VOH recovery amount is 2 rupees, sir. VOH recovery amount is 2 rupees. So here working hours is 33,000 hours, sir. So 33,000 into 2, sir. 33,000 into 2. 33,000 into 2, sir. 33,000 into 2 is equal 66,000. 66,000, right. So table ready, sir. Table ready, right. First one, sir. VOH cost variance. VOH cost variance. VOH cost variance is equal to VOH cost variance is equal to VOH cost variance is equal to SH into SR frame minus AH into AR. It is also called as standard VOH cost. Standard VOH cost. Standard VOH cost for actual output. For actual output minus actual VOH cost. Actual VOH cost for actual output. for actual output. Sir, standard VOH cost 65,000 minus actual VOH cost 68,000 is equal to 3,000 adverse, sir. 3,000 adverse. So, theoretically, standard VOH cost minus actual VOH cost is called VOH cost variance, sir. So, VOH cost variance is equal to standard VOH cost minus actual VOH cost. Next, VOH expenditure variance, sir. VOH expenditure variance. VOH expenditure variance. VOH expenditure variance, that is flag model. Flag model, sir. AH into SR, AH into SR minus AH into AR. Sir, AH into SR, sir, recovered VOH cost minus actual VOH cost incurred. Actual VOH cost incurred. Sir, recovered VOH cost, sir. So, for 1 hour working, for 1 hour direct labor force working, recovery amount per hour is 2 rupees, sir. Here actual working hours 33,000 hours, sir. 33,000 into 2, 66,000, sir. 66,000 minus actual VOH cost. Actual VOH cost 68,000, sir. 68,000. So, 66 minus 68 is equal to 2,000 adverse. 2,000 adverse. So, recovered amount 66, sir, but actually incurred 68, sir. But actually incurred 68, 2,000 adverse. Next, VOH efficiency variance. Efficiency variance. Sir, efficiency variance meaning, sir, it is the deviation between standard hours allowed for actual output and actual hours worked for actual output with SR. So, SH into SR minus AH into SR. AH into SR. Sir, SH into SR is equal to standard VOH cost, sir. Standard VOH cost minus AH into SR, recovered VOH cost. Recovered VOH cost. So, standard VOH cost 65,000, sir. 65,000 minus recovered VOH cost. Recovered VOH cost 66,000. 66,000. So, 1,000 adverse, sir. 1,000 adverse. So, 1,000 adverse to 2,000 adverse, 3,000 adverse, sir. Correct, sir. Answer. Right. Sir, same problem working with output basis, sir. Sir, I have completed in hours basis, sir. Now, going to output basis, sir. Output basis. Output basis. Output basis. Output basis. Sir, output basis, first we have to calculate standard VOH recovery rate. VOH recovery rate per unit, sir. Recovery rate per unit. Bracket lo SR. VOH recovery rate per unit. Budgeted VOH cost divided by budgeted VOH cost divided by budgeted output. Budget VOH cost divided by budget output, sir. Sir, budget VOH cost. Budget VOH cost 60,000. Budget output 30,000 units. Budget VOH cost 60,000 rupees, sir. Budget output 30,000 units. 30,000 units is equal to 2 rupees per unit, sir. So, for 1 unit making, recovered amount is, for 1 unit is made, recovery amount is 2 rupees per unit, sir. Okay, right. Okay, sir. Right. Sir, 3 items calculated. First one, recovered VOH cost on output basis. Is equal to sir, actual output into recovery rate per unit, sir. Sir, here actual output equal to 32,500, sir. Actual output equal to 32,500 units into 2 rupees. So 32,500 into 2 into 2. So 65,000 rupees. Please check, sir, on hours basis record amount is so 32,500 into record VOH cost on output basis, sir. Actual output 32,500 into 2 rupees, 65,000, sir. 65,000. That is the record VOH cost on output basis. Okay, right. Next, number 2, actual VOH cost incurred. Actual VOH cost incurred, sir. Actual VOH cost incurred. Sir, actual VOH cost incurred 68,000. 68,000, sir. 68,000 rupees. Right, sir. Please check, sir. Here, standard output for actual output is 32,500. Recovery rate 2 rupees. So 65,000. So 65 minus 8 expenditure variance. Please check, sir. Expenditure variance. A small mistake is there, sir. Here 33,000 hours actual working hours, sir. Actual working hours 33,000 hours. So standard output for actual working hours, sir. On output basis, standard hours for actual output, sir. Actual output, 1 minute, sir. Standard output for actual working hours. Standard output for actual working hours. So standard output for actual working hours, sir. Standard output for actual working hours. Right. Here 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. 1 unit equal to 1 hour. So here standard hours is 33,000 hours, sir. So 33,000 hours, 33,000 units, sir. 33,000 units. So 33,000 units into 2, 66,000. 66,000. So recovered VOH cost on output basis. Standard output for actual working hours into SR. Standard output for actual working hours. Here actual working hours are 33,000 hours, sir. 1 unit equal to 1 hour. So standard output for actual working hours. So 1 unit equal to 1 hour. 33,000 hours equal to 33,000 units into 2, 66,000. Right. Next term. Actual VOH cost incurred 68,000 rupees. Next 3. Standard VOH cost on output basis. On output basis. Sir, on hours basis, standard VOH cost on hours basis, sir, already calculated, sir. Same figure will be arrived, sir. So, SH into SR, that is the standard VOH cost on hours basis, 65,000, sir. Same amount will be arrived on output basis, sir. So, standard VOH cost on output is equal to standard output for actual working hours into SR. So, standard output, sir. So, here output, actual output, sir, 32,500 units, sir. So, standard hours for actual output, standard, so actual output 32,500 hours, sir. Actual output to 32,500 units. So, hours 33,000 hours, hours 33,000 hours. Right, here actual output for standard hours, actual output for standard hours, actual output for standard hours. So, actual output for standard hours is 30,000 hours, sir. So, actual output, 1 minute, right, sir, standard output for actual working hours, sir, standard output for actual working hours. Third one, standard VOH cost. So, standard output for actual working hours, standard output for actual working hours into SR, right, sir. 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir, 1 unit equal to 1 hour. So, 33,000 units, sir, 33,000 units. Standard output for actual working hours. So, standard output for actual working hours, sir. So, standard output for actual working hours, 1 unit equal to 1 hour. So, 33,000 units, 33,000 units. So, that is the standard out, sir. Already record VOH cost to 33,000 units into 2, sir. So, 33,000 into 2, sir, 66,000. One minute, sir. 33,000 into 2, record VOH cost. Okay, record VOH cost of 33,000 into 2, 66,000, correct. Next to actual VOH cost incurred 68,000. Next, standard VOH cost, sir. Standard VOH cost. How to calculate the standard VOH cost? Standard VOH cost amount is, standard VOH cost amount on hours basis 65,000. On output basis also 65,000, sir. So, here standard actual output is 32,500 units, sir. Actual standard hours is 32,500 hours. So, standard output for standard hours. So, standard output for standard hours. Standard output for standard hours, sir. Standard output for standard hours. Standard hours. Actual output for standard hours, sir. Actual output or 1 minute, sir. Standard output for standard hours into SR, 32,500 units into SR 2 rupees. So, 65,000. So same amounts will arrive in the output basis. So VOH recovered per unit equal to 2 rupees per unit. Recovered VOH cost on output basis 66,000. Actual VOH cost 68,000. Standard VOH cost 65,000. So here also standard VOH cost 65,000. Actual VOH cost 68,000. Recovered VOH cost 66,000. So here 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. Here 1 unit equal to 1 hour. So recovery rate per unit also 2 rupees, sir. 2 rupees. So output basis same values. So next formulas, got the formulas and substitute the values. Answers will be same. So on hours basis or output basis, answers will be same, sir. Right? Next, sir. Okay. Next problem. Right. Problem number 22, sir. 22. The following information was obtained from the records of manufacturing unit using standard costing system. Sir, here also two overheads are given, sir. Fixed overheads and variable overheads. Fixed overheads and variable overheads. So, I will discuss later, sir. Next, sir. Comprehensive model, sir. Now, I am going to discuss comprehensive model, problem number 25. 25 also fixed overhead, sir. So, first to discuss the fixed overhead variances, sir. So, discussion fixed overhead variances. Fixed overhead variances. Fixed overhead variances, sir. So, fixed overhead variances can be calculated in two ways. Fixed overhead variances. Fixed overhead variances. Fixed overhead variances can be calculated in two ways. Calculated in two ways. Fixed overhead variances can be calculated in two ways. Number one, hours basis. On hours basis, sir. Number two, on output basis. On output basis. So, first we have to discuss hours basis, sir. Fixed overhead variances. Sir, what is the differences between the fixed overheads and variable overheads? Variable overheads depends on production. So, if there is no production, there is no variable overhead content. But fixed overheads are based on period. Fixed overheads are based on period, sir. So, fixed overheads are based on period basis. So, fixed overheads are incurred on period basis. Variable overheads are incurred on volume basis. If there is no volume, there is no VOH cost. Okay. But fixed overheads are incurred on the basis of period, on period basis. Fixed overheads are incurred on period basis, sir. For example, 1 month completed, rental charges paid. 1 month completed, rental charges paid. So, fixed overheads are estimated on the basis of past experience. On the basis of past. So, fixed overheads are calculated on period basis, sir. So, first we have to calculate FOH recovery rate per hour. So, on hours basis, first one, standard time allowed for 1 unit is equal, for example, 1 hour, sir. Next, standard VOH, FOH, sir. Standard FOH recovery rate, recovery rate, standard FOH recovery rate per hour, standard FOH recovery rate per hour is equal to budget FOH cost, budget FOH cost divided by budgeted hours, budget FOH cost divided by budget hours, that is equal to 10 rupees per hour, sir. So, example, sir, 10 rupees per hour. So, this is the standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 1 hour, standard FOH recovery rate per hour, that is equal to budget FOH cost by budget hours, 10 rupees per hour. Next, the actual output is equal to 100 units, actual output equal to 100 units. So, these details are given in the problem, sir. So, please collect them. Standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 1 hour, standard FOH recovery rate per hour equal to 10 rupees per hour, actual output equal to 100 units, actual output equal to 100 units, right, sir. So, these are the details, sir. Next, here FOH expenditure variance, FOH expenditure variance plus FOH volume variance is equal to FOH cost variance, sir. FOH cost variance. So, FOH expenditure variance plus FOH volume variance, the summation of FOH expenditure variance and FOH volume variance is equal to FOH cost variance. So, what is the meaning of FOH expenditure variance, sir? FOH expenditure variance, FOH expenditure variance, FOH expenditure variance. It is the deviation between, it is the deviation between budgeted, sir, here budgets are applied, sir, budgeted FOH cost for budgeted output, budgeted FOH cost for budget output and actual FOH cost for actual output, So, it is the deviation between budget FOH cost for budget output and actual FOH cost for actual output. So, it is the deviation between budgeted FOH cost for budget output, sir, and actual FOH cost for actual output. So, symbolically FOH expenditure variance equal to budgeted FOH cost, budget FOH cost for budget output minus actual FOH cost for actual output. So, budget FOH cost for budget output minus actual FOH cost for actual output. Symbolically, BH into SR minus AH into AR. Budget FOH cost for budget output BH into SR minus actual FOH cost for actual output AH into AR. Next, the FOH volume variance, sir. FOH volume variance, right. It is the deviation between budget volume and actual volume at a standard rate. It is the deviation between budget volume and actual volume with the standard rate. So, this is the volume variance. So these two variances collectively we get budget FOH cost variance. So FOH cost variance equal to standard FOH cost for actual output, standard FOH cost for actual output, standard FOH cost for actual output minus actual FOH cost for actual output, So standard FOH cost for actual output and actual FOH cost for actual output. So FOH cost variance equal to FOH expenditure variance plus FOH volume variance. So take the problem. So previously I have discussed problem number 18, only variable variances, sir. Now I am discussing fixed overhead variances. Problem number 18. So fixed overhead variances on hours basis. Fixed overhead variances on hours basis. Right. First, standard time allowed for 1 unit, sir. So 1 unit required time is 1 hour, sir. On the past data, budget data depends on past information. So past experience reveals 30,000 units required time is 30,000 hours. Therefore 1 unit required time is 1 hour, sir. So standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 1 hour. Standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. So formula, sir, budget hours by budget output, sir. Right. So in detail, budgeted hours by budgeted output. Budget hours by budget outputs. Budget hours, sir, 30,000 hours, sir. 30,000 hours by 30,000 units. 30,000 units, that equal to 1 hour. 1 hour. Next, standard FOH recovery rate. FOH recovery rate per hour. Sir, formula, sir, budget FOH cost divided by budget output, sir. Budgeted FOH cost divided by budget hours. Budget FOH cost by budget hours. Sir, budget FOH cost given in the problem 45,000, sir. 45. Budget hours 30,000 hours, sir, is equal to 45,000 divided by 30,000 is equal to 1.5 per hour. 1.5 per hour. That is the standard FOH recovery rate per hour, sir. Standard FOH recovery rate per hour 1.5. Okay, right. Draw the table, sir. Particulars FOH. In FOH segment, 3 contents are there. One is budgeting figures, second one is standard figures, third one is actuals. So budgets for budget output. Here budget output is 30,000 units, sir. Budget output is 30,000 units. 30,000 units. Next, actual output 32,500 units, sir. 32,500 units. So prepare the standards for actual output 32,500 units. So in fixed overhead segment, in fixed overhead segment, there are three components: budget component, budget for budget output, next standards for actual output, and actuals for actual output. Right. As per our experience, fixed overhead cost BH SR, BH into SR, BH SR, BH into SR, sir. Sir, BH 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. That means 30,000 units required time is 30,000 hours, sir. Next, SR 1.5. Next, 30,000 into 1.5. So 45,000. 45,000. Next, SH, SR, SH into SR, SH into SR. Next, AH, AR, AH into AR, AH into AR, right. Sir, actual hours worked, sir. Actual hours worked 33,000 hours, sir. 33,000 hours. Actual hours worked. Next, actual FOH cost incurred 50,000, sir. 50,000. So 50,000 divided by 33,000 is equal to 1.52. 1.52. Sir, as per our experience, fixed overhead cost should be completed in 45,000, sir, but actually completed 50,000, sir. Sir, fixed overhead cost should be incurred 45,000, sir, but actually be incurred 50,000, sir. How much extra, sir? 5,000, sir. That is the FOH expenditure variance. So FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance, sir. FOH expenditure variance. FOH expenditure variance equal to FOH expenditure variance equal to FOH expenditure variance equal to budgeted FOH cost. Budgeted FOH cost for budget output minus actual FOH cost. Actual FOH cost for actual output. So budget FOH cost for budget output minus actual FOH cost for actual output. Right, budget FOH cost for budget output BH into SR minus AH into AR. BH into SR minus AH into AR. So 45,000 minus 50,000. So 45,000 minus 50,000. So we get 45,000 minus 50,000. We get 5,000 adverse, sir. 5,000 adverse. That is the FOH expenditure variance. Okay. Next, the FOH volume, sir. Here, volume, targeted volume 30,000 units, sir, but actual volume achieved 32,500, sir. So, unutilized volume, sir. Here it is unutilized volume, not excess volume, sir. Unutilized volume. Unutilized volume, sir. So 500 units unutilized volume, sir. So 500 into rate per unit 1.5, sir. 500 into 1.5, we get 750. That is the volume variance, sir. So that is the shortcut way, right, sir. In tabular form, first SH standard hours allowed for actual output. Here 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. So 32,500 units required time is 32,500 hours. Next, SR 1.5. So 32,500 into 1.5 is equal to 48,750. 48,750. Right. 48,750. right, just wait. So 48 150 750 sir, that is SH into SR. So 48 750 minus 45,000 sir is equal 3,750 is equal 3,750. So here shortage is sir, budget volume 30,000 units sir. Sir, here actual volume 32,500 units sir. Sir, not unutilized sir, excess volume sir. Sir, here it is excess volume sir. Sir, not unutilized sir, here excess volume sir. Budget volume, target volume 30,000 sir. Actual volume 32,500 sir. So, here excess volume sir. Excess volume is excess volume is 2,500 units. Excess volume is 2,500 units. 2,500 units into 2,500 units into 1.5 sir. 3,750 sir. 3,750. So, FOH volume variance. FOH volume variance. FOH volume variance is equal to FOH volume variance is equal to budget volume. Budget volume sir, budget volume 30,000 sir, but actual volume 32,500 sir. So formula actual volume minus budget volume, actual volume minus budget volume of SR. Sir, here actual volume 32,500 sir, budget volume 30,000 sir. 30,000 SR 1.5. So 2,500 into 1.5 3,750 favorable. It is calculated in another way also sir. ORR FOH volume variance equal to deviation between standard FOH cost for actual output SH into SR minus BH into SR. Sir, SH into SR 48,750 sir, minus BH into SR 45,000. So 3,750 favorable. So you can choose any alternative sir, either this base or that base. Okay. So here formula base sir is theoretical approach, actual volume minus budget volume of SR, right. Next, last one, FOH cost variance. FOH cost variance. It is the deviation between standard FOH cost for actual output, minus actual FOH cost for actual output. Standard FOH cost for actual output minus actual FOH cost for actual output. SH into SR minus AH into AR. Sir, SH into SR sir, 48,750 minus AH into AR. 50,000. So 48,750 minus 50,000 is equal to 1,250 adverse. So please check the answer. Here 3750 favorable sir. Here 5,000 adverse sir. Combine these two, we get 1,250 adverse, correct sir. Okay, right. FOH cost variance, right. FOH cost variance sir. FOH cost variance. Certain portion FOH expenditure variance certain portion FOH volume variance. Volume variance. Right. In volume variance, there are three reasons. Certain portion is FOH efficiency variance. Efficiency variance. Next, FOH capacity variance. Capacity variance. Next, FOH calendar variance. Calendar variance. So, this is the structure, FOH variance structure. So, FOH cost variance, so certain portion expenditure variance, certain portion is volume variance. In volume variance, there are three certain portions. Certain portion is efficiency, certain portion is capacity, certain portion is calendar. Right. Sir, formulas derived through graph, sir. Formulas derived through graph. Sir, SHESR, that is the standard FOH cost for actual output. Actual FOH cost for actual output, AHAR. So, there is a gap between these two, that is called as FOH cost variance. That is called as FOH cost variance, sir. So, FOH cost variance is equal to SH into SR minus AH into AR. AH into AR. Next one, sir, here frame, again frame, box. So, here game is three elements, sir: budgets, standards, actuals. Remaining segments only two, sir, two components, standards and actuals. In fixed overheads, so three segments, sir: budgets, standards, standards, actuals. So, fixed overheads are based on budgets. Fixed overheads are based on budgets, sir. Right, budget volumes. So, here game is running on three segments, sir: budgets, standards, actuals. Right. So, frame with one standards, next frame with budgets, sir. Right. So, BH. So, again frame is FOH expenditure variance. Expenditure variance. So, sit out on gap. So, left moment BH into SR minus AH into AR. So, FOH expenditure variance equal to BH into SR minus AH into AR. Next. So, this is the volume. Variance. FOH volume variance is equal to, sir, in the box. So, left moment is SHSR minus BHSR. SHSR minus BHSR. So, that is the FOH volume variance. So, in volume variance, three components are there, sir. In volume box, divided into three pieces. First piece capacity, efficiency. Second piece capacity. Third piece calendar. So in volume box, divide into three pieces. First piece contains efficiency variance, second piece contains capacity variance, third piece contains calendar variance. So efficiencies are South Africa, it is the deviation between standard hours and actual hours. It is the deviation between standard hours allowed and actual hours worked for actual output with the standard data. So it is the deviation between standard hours allowed for actual output and actual hours worked for actual output. Okay. Next, capacity variance. So RBH. So it is the deviation between AH and RBH with SR. Next, calendar variance. It is the deviation between revised budget hours and budget hours. Right. So one by one, sir. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance. FOH efficiency variance is equal to FOH efficiency variance is equal to first box, sir, SH into SR. This is the first box, sir. Left moment SHSR minus AHSR. SHSR minus AHSR. Next, second box, FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. FOH capacity variance. Second box, FOH capacity variance. AH into SR. AH into SR minus RBH into SR. RBH into SR. RBH into SR. AH into SR minus RBH into SR. Next, FOH calendar variance. 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 Third box, sir. RBH into SR. RBH into SR minus RBH into SR minus BH into SR. BH into SR. So it is the tricky way, sir. So formulas derived through graphs is very easy, sir. So like this 6 formulas are derived, 6 or 7, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sir. 6 formulas derived through graphs, sir. It's very easy process. So this is the FOH variances on hours basis, sir. FOH variances on hours basis. Hours basis. So as through graph, I will do the problem number 18, sir. Problem number 18. Problem number 18, sir. So yesterday problem number 18 just a little bit was completed, sir. Now full length formula completed, sir. Now full length formula will do it, sir. Okay, right. I will do, sir. Problem number 18, sir. 18. Sir, already yesterday class variable content was completed, sir. So now I am discussing FOH full part, sir. Yesterday a little bit part was completed, sir. Now I am discussing full length part, sir. So FOH variances on hours basis. So FOH variances on hours basis. On hours basis. FOH variances on hours basis. Okay, right. Number 1. Standard time allowed for 1 unit, sir. Standard time allowed for 1 unit, sir. Standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to budgeted hours by budgeted output, sir. Budget hours by budget output. Here budget hours is 30,000 hours, sir. Budget output 30,000 hours, sir. Sir, 30,000 hours budget hours, sir. Budget output 30,000 units, sir. 30,000 units is equal to 1 hour per unit, sir. So, standard time allowed for 1 unit equal to 1 hour, sir. 1 hour. Next, FOH recovery rate, sir. Standard FOH recovery rate. Standard FOH recovery rate per hour, sir. Standard FOH recovery rate per hour. Budget fixed overhead cost. Budgeted fixed overhead cost. Budget fixed overhead cost divided by budget output, sir. Budget fixed overhead cost divided by budget output. Sir, budget fixed overhead cost. Sir, budget fixed overhead cost 45,000, sir. 45,000. Budget output 30,000 units, sir. 30,000 units, sir. So 45,000. So 45,000 divided by 30,000, sir, is equal to 1.5, sir. 1.5. Sir, here hours basis, sir. So budget hours, sir. Budget hours, sir. Budget hours also 30,000 hours, sir. So 1.5 per hour. 1.5 per hour. So standard FOH recovered per hour equal to budget FOH cost divided by budget hours. That is equal to 45,000 divided by 30,000 hours. So 1.5 per hour, sir. That means for 1 hour direct labor force working, fixed overheads recovery amount is 1.5, sir. For 1 hour direct labor force working, fixed overhead recovery amount is 1.5, sir. Fixed overhead amount is 1.5, right.